Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee here, and in today's video I want to talk to you about some real life situations. Yes, as you can see, I'm doing a savings challenge right here, and that's what I do on my channel, saving challenges, anything that pertains to saving money, because I'm trying to retire at an early age. But I'll be honest, these videos are very stressful sometimes. Sometimes you don't get the numbers right, and sometimes it just don't turn out the way you want it to, and they're kind of stressful. So normally when I turn the camera off, I try to do things that helps me to relax. So let me know in the comment section what you guys do to help you relax when you get stressed out. So I'm gonna talk to you about some of the things I do when I get stressed out when I turn the camera. One thing I like to do is after I take a bath is put on a very light scent perfume. And I want to go ahead and thank Dossier for sending me these products to review and to share with you guys. So I picked out two perfumes and a candle. And this is one of the perfumes I picked out. Gourmand White Flowers. And let me just tell you, it smells so good. You can smell it through the box. And it has a very soft smell. And yeah, these are the some things about it, and it tells you the concentration and who inspired the scent. So yeah, so this is the first scent that I picked out, and yes, it smells so good. So thank you Dossier for sending me this very nice scent to help me relax after doing these savings challenge videos, trying to get my finances together. It helps to have some type of self-care routine when you turn the camera off, and this is gonna be part of my self-care routine. I love this bottle. It's nice and thick. It's glass, and it has the magnetic top, as you can see, and it's 50 milliliters. So yes, so this was a great scent. Before they sent me these products out, I used to see Dossier products, but I've never tried them. So I was eager to try it when they reached out to me. So this is the floral aldehydes, and it is inspired by Chanel No. 5. I'll be honest, I've never tried Chanel No. 5, but when I first sprayed this, it was very strong. So I took it a minute, so I fanned it. I sprayed some on my hand. Then I fanned it for a little while, because you know it may be my chemistry, it may be my body chemistry. So I waited a little bit, and as time went on, the smell got lighter and lighter. So when I initially sprayed it, it was a little bit too strong for me. You can see me spraying it on my hand and see me fanning my hand. So this is one of those scents where you have to let it adjust to your body chemistry. So now it's been about an hour later, and it smells so good. But when I initially sprayed it, it was a little bit too strong for me. And according to the reviews, these scents normally last about 7 to 8 hours, which that's good, because most people work a 8 or 12-hour shift. So that's a good amount of time for a scent to stay on your skin. Sorry about shaking the table. I'm so excited about these scents to help me relax after trying to get these finances together. So yes. So next we're gonna go on to the candles. The candle is the same fragrance as the first one, the Gourmand White Flower. So these are gonna be great together. I can't wait to use it. So yeah, so Dossier, they reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the cost, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting out all the expenses and the brand taxes. So if you decide to order from them, they have a risk-free system that allows customers to try the perfumes before committing to a purchase. I think they have a little sample that comes with your purchase, and if you don't like the perfume itself, you have 30 days to return it. Make sure it's unsealed. Make sure it is. They will allow you to return an unsealed 50 milliliter Dossier perfume, full refund with no questions asked. You can't get any better than that. Most of most of the perfumes are $39, and that's at a fraction of the cost, because most designer perfumes are anywhere from $50 to $280 retail. So yeah, so you know, we're on this financial journey and we like the luxury items in the budget community without the luxury price. So I thought this would be a great product to bring to you guys. One thing I like about Dossier is they have a 6-question questionnaire asking you about your perfume, asking you different questions so they can kind of match you up with what type of perfume you would like. And so I started the questionnaire, but I have to finish it later. But as you can see here, I do like some florals, but I really like a clean scent. And so I'm choosing some of those here. And so as you know, I'm looking out for you guys because I want everybody to win with their finances. So Dossier has been nice enough to give me a discount code. It'll be in the description box, and they have all kind of specials when you sign up for the first time. Just go on their website and you'll see all the different specials that they have. And the discount code will last until January the 20th of 2022. So yes, so if you're like me, you like the high-end luxury items without the high-end price. Because as you know, Mrs Vee is trying to pay off her mortgage. So paying full price for a luxury designer perfume is not part of my budget at this moment. But I do want to smell good after I take my bath. So yeah. So you can be a member of the Dossier Club. They have all kind of perks. You can earn points when you sign up. They have one of the best rewards points program I've ever seen. You get 500 points just to create an account, 10 points for every dollar spent, 250 points if you add a photo and review to one of their social media sites. What else they got? 50 points if you follow them on Instagram, 100 points if you sign up for text messages. Then they got the VIP club here, the bronze, the silver, and the gold. So they have all kind of ways for us to save money and still have our luxury items, people. I think it's great. So you give $10 and get $10 when you refer a friend. So I'm referring you guys. And I'm telling you about the scents, the different oils and things that they use. They tell you exactly how they make the candle right here. So if you want more information about Dossier, go on their website and they have everything you need. They can answer all of your questions. So yes, I'm about to take me a bath and spray some of this lightly scented perfume on and light my candle. So hopefully my next video I will be more relaxed, because yeah, we have to take care of ourselves. Just because we're trying to get our finance together don't mean we have to be stressed out about it. So yeah, here's the perfumes. You got women, men, or unisex. So yes, so they range from $29. You got $29, $49 ones. And they tell you who their inspiration was. So there's no secret on their site. Then you go to the menu. By the time this video is out, I know it's probably gonna be after Christmas, but you still have birthdays and you have Father's Day, and you just have any occasion. You don't have to have a holiday to be nice to someone. Then you got the unisex fragrances. So yeah, so Dossier thought of everything. They got everybody covered. Now we're gonna go look at the candles. And this is special they're running. So the candles, they're like a medium size. They're not large and they're not small. I'll say it's about it's a 5 ounce. The candles are 5 ounces. I love that they tell you who their inspiration was. So yeah, so go and check out Dossier. Don't forget to check out my description box for a discount code, and go ahead and sign up for their text messages and all the other perks that they have for their Dossier member club. I signed up. So yeah, you know Mrs Vee is always looking for some reward points. I love reward programs. So yeah. So go check them out. If you've already tried them before, let me know in the comment section. And so this is Mrs Vee, trying to help you get relaxed while we're on this financial journey. We're trying to reach our goals, but we don't want to be stressed out. So you see, if you order 3 items, your shipping is free. And it tell you about the sample, a 2 milliliter sample size you can get. So they got all kind of perks. Just go check out their website. So yeah, as mentioned earlier, this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.